In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade in Ctrader. We'll walk through the full process from opening the platform to placing a trade and seeing it appear under your positions so you can follow along with confidence. Start by opening Ctrader through your broker's platform or the official web or desktop app. Make sure you're on a secure connection and that the platform is fully updated so all features load correctly. Next, log in with your existing credentials or create a new account if you're just getting started. You can choose between a live account for real trading or a demo account for practice. Keep your login details secure and consider enabling extra security options if your broker provides them. Before placing any trades, confirm your account has funds. For live accounts, complete a deposit using your broker's funding options and check your balance and equity. If you're on demo, ensure there's enough virtual balance to test your strategy. Always trade only what you can afford to risk. Open the Trade Watch panel, typically located at the bottom of the interface. If you don't see it, enable it from the View menu. Trade Watch shows your positions, orders, history, and more. This is where you'll monitor everything after you place a trade. Find the instrument you want to trade in your watch lists, then double-click it to open the chart. Confirm the symbol, time frame, and market session. You can add indicators if needed, and it's smart to check the current spread and recent volatility before proceeding. Choose your order type. A market order executes at the best available price right now. A limit order sets a better price than the current market, aiming for a pullback. A stop order triggers once price reaches a specified level, useful for breakouts. If available, stop limit adds extra control over the fill price. Pending orders will sit under the Orders tab until they're triggered. Set your trade parameters. Select the volume in lots or units and use the platform's margin and pip value readouts to size sensibly. Add a stop loss to manage risk and a take profit to lock in targets. You can set these by price, pips, or directly on the chart. Choose the order's duration, such as good till cancelled or day, based on your plan. When you're ready, click Buy to go long or Sell to go short, then confirm the order details. After execution, your trade appears under the Positions tab in Trade Watch. You can monitor floating P&L, CSL and TP lines on the chart and drag them to adjust. You can partially close or fully close from the Positions tab. Keep an eye on margin and exposure and always stick to your trading plan.